It is. Come on, Buster.
Let's see.
Buster says he's not done out there.
No.
He says he's got a tire to whiz on. Come on, bud. Is Molly up here with me?
Yeah.
Because her's a good girl.
Come on, Busters.
Oh, you're so cute. Look at her mouth. Oh, she had a snowflake on her nose, but she wiped it off. Girl. Molly, go run, run, run. Go run, run, run. Come on. Go run, run, run. No? Okay. We're to dry you off, though, because you're all wet. And unlike Buster, you hold a ton of water. All right, you got Buster?
Yeah, come